A public announcement by Kimber Weedle about parent rights. What is a parent? A parent is a biological parent, an adoptive parent, a parent who is, or a person who is acting like a parent, and a legal guardian, such as foster parent, associated by the court. What are your parents' rights? Special educational laws, IDEA, FERPA, and IEP laws. This is something that we will go over later on in the video. Special education laws. Schools are required to provide a copy of the parents' rights and special education notice to parents. One way is a one-time during the school year, first formal complaint upon disciplinary removal of the school, or first referral. FERPA. This is a law that the school have to follow if they get finances from the U.S. This is allowing parents to see the children's records. This will be passed on to the kids when they turn 18 or get out of high school. IEP laws. Parents should be given 10 days for notice of an IEP meeting. If the parents are separated, both parents need to be informed, especially if both parents have custody of that child by the court. IDEA, Individual with Disability Education Act. This is students who are allowed free and appropriate public education for anyone who has special needs. And if you have any questions, go to www.ksde.org.